In a small, bustling village, old Mama Lena was famous for her golden, crispy fritters. Every morning, the scent of sweet dough and sizzling oil filled the air, drawing children and travelers alike to her tiny stall. One day, a young boy named Eli, too poor to afford a single fritter, stood watching longingly. Noticing him, Mama Lena smiled and handed him a warm fritter. "Kindness is the secret ingredient," she whispered. Years passed, and Eli grew into a renowned chef. One evening, an elderly woman entered his restaurant. Recognizing Mama Lena, Eli rushed to her, presenting a plate of perfectly golden fritters. "You taught me the true taste of kindness," he said with a smile. Mama Lena laughed, taking a bite. "And now, you share it with the world." From that day on, Eli's fritters weren't just food, they were a memory of love and generosity.